aircraft airborne in some 1,500 feet. Major Luca cleans the aircraft up and shortly he'll pull the aircraft up as he gains some altitude. You'll get a lovely platform of the aircraft, a lovely view of the C-27J designed and built here. Okay, repositioning turn from the south, and Major Luca bring the aircraft in now for a high-speed sharp turn in front of the crowd, up towards the limit of 3G, about 2.7 G on this manoeuvre. Let's have a look. Fantastic. Okay, and assisting Major DeLuca today is Major Francesco Pereira. Well, folks, here it comes, the first of the moves we've come to see. 20 tonnes of light transport aircraft. A barrel roll, that's it, folks. A barrel roll. Let's watch to our right. Fantastic. Okay, also on board today we've got Chief Master Sergeant Bo Savini, and we're about to